All right, so if you guys want to secure your keys or your key cards and you want to take this to work, this is a perfect way. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you ever work in a corporate environment, security area is a must. Now, key cards always get lost and misplaced. Well, not no more. This thing has a stretchable bungee, if you guys can see, retractable, comes back. Not only that, they also give you an area to save your keys. So if you have keys that you require, you go set them up on the loop. This thing's stretchable. Now, to remove it, there is a little actual button that you come off. You guys can see that. A lot of universal cards have that actual area indentation to actually set this up. Now, this thing stretches about maybe a couple feet, 2 or 3 feet long, right? Retractable. So be careful when you let it go. This thing is one of my favorite things right here. This actually is a loop, a metal loop. If you guys can see that, it opens up, hooks up pretty much to your belt. They set it up somewhere where they could actually clip on either a purse or anywhere that they could clip this thing on. Now, this is versatile, so it's perfect for those that are always leaving their keys behind. This is something that you have. If you're janitor, plumber, teacher, or work in a corporate environment, this is a must to have, especially when now losing all these critical cards and keys. This is a perfect area to actually keep it together. Hang it at the end of the day into your loops, and you will never lose it again. So hope you guys enjoyed this video.